Now, for the first step, we need to crush these raw materials to wood chips. So we will have the first machine. It's the big large crusher. As you can see, this is the large comprehensive crusher, and this crusher with a chain plate 8 meters conveyor. It has the steel chain plate with a width 1.4 meters and height 700 millimeters. So you can put materials that contain steel, contain iron and steel into this crusher. And this crusher will crush the raw materials to wood chips, like 5 to 10 centimeters. And this is the output conveyor with 10 meters length. Is folded. And you can see that this is the crushed wood chips. Crushed wood chips. It's like this size. It's like this size.